how beautiful these lashes are from the brand PUR. Like, the packaging is what definitely caught my attention. These look beautiful, like for the holidays. Just look at that sparkle. So this is the PUR X Barbie Doll Lash Signature Cruelty-Free Pro Eyelashes. Got this recently at Macy's, but I know you can also get it at Ulta, this collection, and of course at PUR Cosmetics. Very pretty. Let me take it out of the packaging so you can see. We're gonna try them on. I need some lashes badly. I was reading on the site, it says that you can use these up to 30 times. Obviously you have to take really good care of them, and I love that it comes like in a case like this, because that will help me place them very nicely here, and it's like really easy just to put them back and close it back. And look at this, it like I don't know if it's like a magnetic thing, but it seems like it's pretty good and secure. So these retail for $14. Is a limited edition item. The eyeshadow palette is something that I really wanted. That's the first thing that I saw from this collection. I just didn't get it. Like, the packaging is everything. If you love pink, if you love like sparklings, like look at this. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. And it says, in a Barbie world, there is no limits. Take your eye look to new heights with these cruelty-free faux eyelashes that transform any look from natural to glamorous for up to 30 uses. Curated in celebration of 60-year anniversary of Barbie. I'll tell you that the lash glue is not included. I'm going to use one that I really been liking, and this is one from Kiss. Alright, we'll see if we have to trim this or what. This is what the lash looks. It does feel like super lightweight. The band doesn't feel... I do see that I will have to trim here in the corners, because I can already see that that will be poking my eye. Get out and see how it would look. I did also order another pair of these lashes, but they're not Barbie edition. Definitely not as dramatic as ones that I've tried. Like, the ones that I just reviewed from Lily Lashes were like way more like out there. Way more out there. I'll show you me putting them on, but I struggle, so I'm just gonna like fast forward here. Alright, so this is how it looks like both of the lashes on. When I first saw them like in the packaging, I wasn't like, oh my god, I think this shape is beautiful. There's gonna be a lot of people's favorites, but for me, I think I should have trimmed it at least a little bit, but it doesn't look horrible. And I would just like them a little bit more full. Like, for my style, they're not super full. So if that's something you like, then definitely try these out. But if you like fullness, I don't think these are like full at all. Like, it's not my style. I feel lightweight, but they're not like the most comfortable. Like, if you were to try like Invisiband, tried several of those. I think Kiss does them, probably a lot of brands do them, but I've tried Ardell, I believe. I have a playlist like of all the lashes that I have tried. So much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!